Okay, welcome back to another episode of Restaurant Remake, and this is part of the Ruth Chris series. So I will be making the creamy spinach with this episode. So the previous episode I had made the lobster mac and cheese. If this is your first time watching our Restaurant Remake, so the concept is actually taking a dish from the restaurant and we're making it at home. So if you like, please subscribe to our food travel shopping channel and hit the bell notification for our latest video, as well as give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. So in this video, I'll be making the creamy spinach. So in this case, I have the frozen spinach here and we're gonna get started here right away. Okay, so the water is boiled now. We can actually put in our spinach. So we're going to cook the spinach and bring it back to a boil, and we're going to drain and squeeze all the liquid from the spinach when it is done. So give it another minute. Once it's boiled, we're going to drain it. Okay, look at all these steam. So now we're going to press it a little bit and make sure we squeeze out all the water. Okay, so in the same pot, we're going to put in 2 tablespoons of butter. Okay, so we're going to let the butter melt. And once the butter is melted, now we can add in our flour. So we're going to cook the flour for a bit, 2 minutes. Okay, let's add in a total of half a cup of heavy cream. I like to do it a half at a time, so 1/4 cup at a time. And you want to mix it until the flour is completely smooth. Okay, so we're gonna do a dash of salt here, dash of nutmeg, and a dash of cayenne pepper. And also some black pepper. Let's mix this together. Okay, now we're gonna put the spinach back in. Okay, so you want to stir and completely mix the spinach together until all the spinach is fully covered with cream. Okay, now it's ready to serve. And this is the version of the Ruth Chris creamy spinach. Now, this is a sneak peek in terms of our final video of the Ruth Chris series, and this is the filet mignon. So stay tuned to our next video, and please subscribe to our food travel shopping channel for the latest video and updates. Thanks for watching.